Alright, so we are back on the DSY US dollar. So, like I said, if the dollar is being bearish, then there's a good news for us crypto traders and every other currency, the crypto, the stock market, and then the major currency like the euro and the dollar USD. So, whenever you're trading, before you take a trade, most times you got to look at the dollar index based on the pair you're trading, the pair you trade with against the dollar, so you know when to buy and sell. So we can see that the dollar index is actually following the prediction, and we can see it's approaching the area of fair value gap and the area of demand that we have here. Then on the 4 hour, this line here is my KML. So if this is being violated, do you know what that means? If this is being violated, then that means, wow, crypto investors are gonna end, like it's gonna pump real hard. And then the stock market, in which I'll be checking on my Tesla stock, like the weekly demand zone. I'm expecting it to respect. I haven't checked that for a long time, and yeah, you guys know I did analysis on YouTube and I posted on that. So right here we are looking at this clean stop on the dollar index. We have a failed what high right here, though we have have liquidity right here, and you can see how it just rallied down impulsively and trying to grab liquidity. And then while we're seeing here fair value gap to see how it will react there. If that is being respected to go bullish, then yeah, that is a good thing. This is also a bad thing because other major currency will have to drop. But if this get violated, then that means the dollar index will be dropping and every currency and stock market will go higher. If we check on Euro USD, you can actually see how it just rally higher. And one funny thing is that it did not actually get my point of interest where I wanted to buy at this area. So right here we have buy stops resting on every high. So possibly you could be running to take out every buy stops that we have on this daily chart. Yeah. So yeah, that is cool. So I was actually waiting, trying to see retracement back to the 4 hour point where I could be buying the euro for a long time, but it did not actually get there. So yeah, it just filled the fair value gap right here, then start to rally, so I wasn't able to take that trade. Also same thing on GBP USD. GBP USD, where are you? I thought I had GBP USD here. Yeah, same thing on GBP USD. We can see how it just rally higher, and also it didn't get to the point where I wanted to buy GBP USD. So we can see how it's riding higher, and while we're looking at buy stops to be taken out. So you can see that impulsive move right there, just like we predicted it. So and we can see BTC doing its stops too. So yeah, it's a cool thing. So I think investors we have to make some cash, and we have buy stopped resting on this high. We have to take that high, and also we expecting it to trade to this high. And I saw an area of supply right there. Don't know if it might respect that area right here. So we get about that, but still here we have imbalances up here. It needs to fill, and then that area that looks like a supply right here. So guys. Yeah, guys. So we'll see how it goes, and we get to know about the update about that. So let's see on the Tesla. So I'm not using my trading view. I'm not using my PC right now. I'm just looking on my cell phone recently. So I saw the weekly area of other block. So I don't know if it has actually get to that area, but we get to see that. Because I haven't looked at it for a long time. Yeah, it's kind of taking time, so we could possibly run to our trading view. Yeah, trading view. So we have on our trading view. Let's see. Okay, so oh no, I have to update. Right. So yeah, we forget about that, and we'll talk about that later. So about this one, I think it violated the weekly demand zone. Yeah, on Tesla, the weekly demand zone I was trying to focus on. So I think it kind of like violated that area, which is here. So yeah, the stock market didn't even follow that stuff, though this is a US stock market. So normally we do know we spotted Y curve. Yeah, we spotted Y curve on Tesla. So and we know where it's running to. It's running to do what, clear imbalance. So yeah, and you know this stock market is not something we trade against the dollar. So it is only currency, it's only pairs that we trade against the dollar that could possibly be going bullish. All right, like we can see, it's something that impulsively comes down. And if you have a point of interest and market is approaching a point of interest impulsively, and you don't have a fake out zone and real liquidity that could be used as a stop hunt and a draw to liquidity, then your point of interest is not valid. It's not likely to hold. So that's what actually happened here. Price moving impulsively, and we did not have an area of liquidity that it could grab me to use that money to mitigate that area and activate your point of interest, and then use the money that you grabbed to push higher to be drawn to another liquidity that it needs to grab. So yeah, so for the Tesla stock, I think we're gonna say bye to that. So yeah. So you guys could say your thoughts and things like that, stuff like that, and I'll keep updating you guys on everything. Yeah, I know I've been busy for some time that I can't actually explain to you guys or drop a video for you guys on how I do analysis and setup like that. But you should know it's a smart money concept. Just know that. Yeah, we trade auto block, KML, KMTR, maximum pain level, stop hunt, and sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, and other blocks supply and demand. So yeah, I think around the weekend, probably this month or next month, I will be introducing. I promise you that. Okay, so I will be going on full details on everything trading that no one has ever given to you guys. So yeah, I will drop that soon on YouTube. Okay, so yeah.